Hi, Andrew here from ISOKIT C, and in this video we're going to be looking at the ISOKIT C safe isolation kits. These include the ISOKIT 215, ISOKIT 220, ISOKIT 415 and ISOKIT 420. All ISOKIT C safe isolation kits come with a safe case that houses the 2-pole tester and keeps the proving unit captive. The 215 and 415 come with the VIP 150 2-pole tester. This is battery free operation and detects AC and DC voltage. The 420 and 220 safe isolation kits come with the VIP 200 2-pole tester. Again, this is 690 volts AC DC operation. Comes with an auto test button, a torch, and has a continuity feature. The SP200 proving unit is included in the ISOKIT 215 and 220. This is a 690 volt proving unit with a quick ramp up and a slow decay, so you can check the tester throughout the range. The SP400 is included in the 415 and 420. Again, this is a 690 volt proving unit, but also includes a non-contact voltage detector proving pad.